proud to be associated with the L'Oréal Paris Femina Women of Worth Awards. I think every woman that has been nominated has done something to kind of change society in some way and is a pillar of Indian society, especially Indian society. Everyone who is nominated has done something that changes the way we look at what we as young people can do for India. And for me, that is very, very important. I know that for the last 2 years, this award has grown, and I know now it is going to be more valid in terms of who they're nominating and who is going to win. The people who I also hope that there are more and more people who will vote for these women because the more support they have and the more recognition they get, it'll just help their cause and help them in whatever little way that we can. So I always say that every little thing, every one person makes a difference. So even one person's vote can change the way these women think, and maybe these women will get more encouraged to do better for our Indian society. So I'm very, very happy to be here and to be a part of this celebration of women of worth. Because I truly believe every woman in India is worth it. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Yeah, so I guess now we are going to, Manashi, you wanted to, Tanya has to. I always look at the whole list.
You do, don't you? She's always involved in the process. And who is your favorite? She always selects a favorite.
That's so mean. I don't know if I should be selecting a favorite. I know. There shouldn't be any favorites because I think everybody is equally involved in doing something amazing for the community. But since I feel I represent Young India, there is this 15-year-old girl who has made this drink, which is a very nutritious drink, which is helping the malnourished. She's from West Bengal, if I'm not mistaken, right? I can't remember her name, I'm so sorry. Debatrita Mondla. Terrible. I can't pronounce these names, but she is 15 and she has made this nutritious drink, which is basically, which has all the nutrients that a balanced meal can provide. It's for malnourished children, because if you look at any other so-called nutritious drink that is sold in the market, it is very, very pricey for people who can't afford it to pick up, or even for someone who wants to do something good for children who don't have the kind of food and nutrition that they're supposed to have. It's very difficult for people to purchase it and even distribute it. It's only 18 rupees, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right?
Yes, it is 18.
Okay. I still don't get her name right. What is it? Debatrita Mandal. I'm not going to forget it. So yeah, I am biased towards her because I think at 15 I wasn't thinking about doing any of these things to kind of change the way people think, or I wasn't as concerned or socially aware as a 15-year-old girl is. I was thinking about the most frivolous, superficial things when I was 15. So for me, I'm in awe of someone who is so aware at such a young age, and I feel if we kind of propagate someone who is at such a young age thinking of all these things, I think since our country is predominantly young, it'll help and encourage other young people to think for our society, and especially women. So I'm quite proud of this little Bengali girl. Women of Worth, जो ये L'Oréal Paris का टैगलाइन है, I am worth it, we are worth it, ये बहुत ही strong feminist टैगलाइन है, क्योंकि हर ये जो महिला है, especially Indian society में, उसे ये अपने एक आत्मविश्वास रहना चाहिए कि वो worth it है, उसे पता है कि जो भी उनकी स्वाभिमान is the correct word, I think self respect होना चाहिए कि I am worth it. जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ and जो भी मैं हूँ, I am better and I am the best, and I think that's what is the meaning of this tagline. और दूसरी ये बात है, I think हर जो महिला नॉमिनेट हुई है इस वुमेन ऑफ वर्थ फेमिना लॉरियल अवार्ड्स में, वो वर्थ इट है. शी डिजर्व्स द अवार्ड. और आई थिंक हर एक विनर है इस अवार्ड फंक्शन का. मुझे तो विनर लूज़र ये बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, आप सबको पता है. मुझे लगता है कि ये बिल्कुल इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, पर हाँ हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे who deserves this title of Women of Worth the most at the award. Yeah, best among the equals, which is very difficult to choose. मुझे पता नहीं, I'm so happy I'm not in the jury. तो yeah. अपनी लाइफ में किसे देना चाहूँगी? Actually you know मैं सोच रही थी इसके बारे में. मेरे लाइफ में एक वुमेन है, उनका नाम है झुम्पा लाहिरी. वो इंडियन नहीं है, पर उन्होंने इतनी खूबसूरत किताबें लिखी हैं इंडिया के बारे में कि जब मैं उनकी किताबें पढ़ती हूँ, वो मैं उनसे कभी मिली नहीं हूँ, मैं उन्हें बिल्कुल जानती भी नहीं हूँ, पर उनकी किताबें पढ़ के आई फॉल मोर एंड लव विद इंडिया बिकॉज शी राइट्स अबाउट इंडिया सो ब्यूटिफुली, अबाउट कैलकाटा स्पेशली वेरी ब्यूटिफुली. तो जब मैं उनकी किताबें पढ़ती हूँ, आई फील कि एक इंडियन डिसेंट की ऐसी औरत अगर इतने खूबसूरती से लिख सकती है और हमारे देश को इतना फेमस कर सकती है पूरे दुनिया में, आई थिंक शी इज समवन हु इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन माई लाइफ बिकॉज आई लव रीडिंग एंड आई लव रीडिंग हर बुक्स. सो या आई थिंक आई वुड चूज झुम्पा लाहिरी. I'm very proud ambassador of L'Oréal Paris. Everybody knows that, but I'm also a fully proud ambassador of Femina. I feel in a lot of ways because, like she said, I'm always on the special covers. I think Femina loves me as much as I love them.
Yes, we do. Absolutely.
But you also need to know that it has the widest readership among any magazine in India right now, and it is a specific Indian magazine. It is of Indian origin. So in a lot of ways, I think it's a very apt partnership, if I may say so, for these awards because we're celebrating women of India. And I think in a lot of ways, even though L'Oréal Paris is an international company, I think they believe a lot in Indian women and in kind of empowering Indian women. So I think it's a great partnership and it's a great association. And I think I'm very happy to be associated with both these brands in a great way because they're actually truly doing something different. Even if you read the articles in Femina, I wasn't allowed. There were only 2 magazines allowed in my house. One was Femina and the other one was Reader's Digest. We weren't allowed anything else in our house. And we used to read the articles and they're very educational articles in the magazine. They're not only about fashion, even though I love fashion. There are other things. There are not only film gossip. There are a lot of things that are written. So I mean, honestly, if you look at it, it's a beautiful partnership. And hopefully this partnership will have a great future and they're going to do some great things for Indian women later on. So, yeah. कि अगर आप एक औरत हो, अगर आप खुश हो, अगर आप प्राउड हो, तो आप ऑटोमेटिकली खूबसूरत लग सकते हैं. I don't know if that's what you mean. पर अगर आप L'Oréal Paris को भी देखेंगे, हमने अभी रिसेंटली एक कॉम्पिटिशन होल्ड किया था हमारे कास्टिंग के लिए, हमारे जो है कलर है उसके लिए. They've chosen real women to kind of be in the ad with me. So I think beauty is in being happy, successful and ambitious women, and I think in a lot of ways that's what L'Oréal Paris stands for and that's what I stand for. Huge welcome. I met her at a party and I was like, welcome to the L'Oréal Paris family. I have known Katrina for a while now, and honestly the kind of the way she's helped her family and the way she's conducted herself in the public platform I think is extremely commendable. And in a lot of ways I did welcome her with I gave her a very warm welcome, I think so. And we're constantly discussing a lot of things when we meet. And I'm very proud to say that such successful women are L'Oréal brand ambassadors with me. I honestly feel that I don't know what I'm doing there as well. मैं actually इस साल 3 ऐसी फिल्में कर रही हूँ जहाँ दो ऐसी फिल्में कर रही हूँ जहाँ ये फिल्म है वो they are about women or about women making a family beautiful or women kind of wrapping men around their fingers. एक है खूबसूरत और दूसरी फिल्म है डॉली की डोली. And if people, Disney is producing one with my sister, और दूसरी फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर है अरबाज खान जिन्होंने दबंग बनाई थी। तो अगर अरबाज खान जी जो है जिनकी पिछली फिल्म दबंग है, जो बहुत ही कमर्शियल डायरेक्टर है, प्रोड्यूसर है, डायरेक्टर भी हैं पर ये फिल्म वो प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, अगर उन्हें लगता है कि हम सोनम कपूर पे हु इज़ अ गर्ल उन पे पैसे डाल सकते हैं, और अगर डिज्नी को लगता है कि उनकी जो पहली फिल्म जो रिलीज़ होगी इंडिया में, अगर मेरी बहन की प्रोडक्शन कंपनी के साथ शी इज़ अ वुमन एज वेल, उन पे वो इतना फेथ देती है, तो आई ऑनेस्टली फील दैट द वे the world and the way the industry is looking at women is completely changed, because the kind of films and the kind of roles that have been offered to me are very, very strong women characters. I'm very, very happy to say that Indian cinema especially is changing. When I was 15, I was in this school called Arya Vidya Mandir. And all I was thinking about was, I used to take part a lot in elocution and debate in school, especially English elocution and debate. And when I used to be writing down points and notes about it, that was the only time I used to think about it. Otherwise, I was only thinking about कि honestly कि क्लास कभी खत्म हुई कि मुझे जाके नीचे बास्केटबॉल खेलना है, या मुझे जाके नीचे हॉकी खेलना है, और आई वांट टू गो विद माय फ्रेंड्स टू किनारे वाले दुकान होती ना, आई यूज्ड टू गेट लाइक स्मॉल कोका कोला, पेप्सी, वो जो 8 रुपए की होती थी, आजकल बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो गई है। तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट दोस लिटिल बॉटल्स ऑफ कोका कोला एंड थम्स अप एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड दैट वाज आवर एक्साइटमेंट, और जूसी, आई डोंट नो if kids get juicy these days, so that was my excitement। और कि हम एक फिल्म आई थी तभी, कयामती कोर्ट, I don't know if you remember this film. We used to watch these kind of things. It was exciting for us to go to the cinema, or drink Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up or Mirinda and all of these things. It was not. We weren't thinking about how are we going to change society, or what can we do for the malnourished children of Bombay city. It wasn't that. Our thought process is very childlike. It wasn't evolved. Even though I was doing things like debate and elocution about these things, it was just for school. It wasn't to. I didn't think of all these things. Obviously, when you grow up, you do think of all these things. So I find it very. I'm sure you were not thinking either when you were 15. So it's very. मैं एकदम सरप्राइज और शॉक हो गई कि यार ये 15 साल की लड़की ऐसे कैसे सोच रही है। मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं सोच रही थी इन चीज़ों के बारे में। So it was surprising and shocking. एक्चुअली मैं ये चीज़ मैं ज़्यादा अपने पर्सनल लाइफ या फाइनेंशियल लाइफ के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती हूँ, पर इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, दीपिका पादुकोण and Anushka Sharma both are producing their own films, which I'm very proud to say that I'm so happy that colleagues of mine are doing so well. I don't have that kind of power, but I'm so proud of them. I think it's amazing that they're doing that. तो हाँ, चीज़ें चेंज हो रही हैं। मैं अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस या मैटर्स के बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती, तो मैं नहीं बता सकती कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, पर हाँ, ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलते हैं और मिल रहे हैं। एंड आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि बिजनेसमैन है बिजनेसमैन, और आजकल स्पेशली इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारी ऐसी पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनीज आ गई हैं और इंटरनेशनल कंपनीज आ गई हैं। अभी ज़्यादा प्राइवेट फाइनेंसर्स और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स रहे नहीं हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल एवरीथिंग इज पब्लिक नाउ, एवरीथिंग इज रिवाइड नाउ, सब कुछ बहुत ही ओपन हो गया है, वो कॉर्पोरेटाइज्ड ऑनेस्टली। तो you always get the returns that you